How's it going, everyone? It's your M3E, and we're back at it again to another video. For those of you who are new to our channel today, we highly recommend that you consider subscribing to our channel so that you can be part of this team. Don't forget to click that subscribe button up there, and also don't forget your post notifications so that you won't miss a video every time or whenever we upload new videos. All right, and for those of you who have been religiously continue to show your love and support, we ask that you would continue to do the same thing and show that spirit and show that love and support, and we really appreciate it. Now, for today's video or today's vlog, we don't really have anything much going on right now. I don't have anything planned for the rest of the day, but you know, this morning as the boys were getting ready to head out to school, I kind of told them that we were not going to have anything planned or special going on today, but we're just going to have a regular vlog or normal vlog for the day. So obviously they're at school right now, but as soon as they come home, that's what they expected, or at least that's what they're expecting to come home to, just to come home to a normal day of vlogging. So we'll hopefully when they come home, we'll come up with something. But guys, I'm looking outside right now and I'm seeing that the sun is beautiful. The sun is out, and so it's beautiful out here. So what better way to start the vlog or start the video than to at least spend the time with our kids or spend time with the boys and you know, just enjoy the rest of the day. So what we'll do is, as soon as they come home, we'll probably, I don't know about you guys, but hopefully you guys are down to put in some hard labor or hard work and put in some sweat. So I'm thinking about showing you guys how you know, just do some workout routines, and hopefully you guys are down to you know, do it together with our boys. So we're gonna do some exercise, and you know, like I said, wherever you are, drop whatever you're doing and just give yourself some time or some break, and you know, just spend a little bit of, you know, maybe 5 minutes, just do a little bit of exercise. All right, but in the meantime, let's continue to grow. And once again, thanks so much. You guys are awesome. It's ridiculous.
Oh, hi guys, we just came back from school, and right now we're gonna do an exercise, and I hope you guys are down to do the exercise with us, and hope you have fun watching this video.
Okay guys, I'm gonna let these guys do some routines. So yeah, you guys ready to do some exercise? Let's get it. Alright, so come on, show them how to do some exercise.
Okay.
Yeah. No, not that one, Marlson. Not that one. It's too heavy. Just this one.
Okay.
This one. Not that one.
I can do that one.
You can do this. Come on, come on. Come on, don't let them up.
Okay. You guys, this is safety hazard. So, how to pick up a weight, like a heavy one. You go down like this, and you grab on it, and you lift it up, so you won't break your back, and your back helps you walk.
So you want to demonstrate how to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let him do it. You gotta show them slowly.
Okay. Okay. Example, pretend this is heavy. When it's not, for some people it is.
Speak louder.
Go like this. That's a heavy weight. And actually, you go down, lift it up, and go up.
Okay, how many times?
How many you want?
Okay.
Two.
Come on, Carter. Hold on.
Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right, good job. Are you guys following along? Come on, pick up your thumbnail and dumbbell and I said thumbnail, dumbbell, and do the same routine what he just did. Be careful, man. All right, what about you, Austin?
He's gonna, if you don't do that.
Yeah. So basically, he's saying if you're not doing it the right way, then you're probably gonna end up breaking your bones, like your backbones. Huh?
Yeah, your spine.
Yeah. Yeah, your spine. That's right. All right. So Austin, what are you doing?
Spine.
Come on, speak to the camera. Okay, this guy's a bit shy, but he's gonna do his best to try and explain to you guys what exactly he's doing. So come on, closer to the camera. Come on. Yeah, don't be shy.
Just wait.
Let him explain to you. Alright. What else?
Learn
Come on.
from the thing.
Okay, what else? Okay, then you just continue on. Come on, show them some more routines.
Okay, so this is a small weight. Kids that are younger than 7 need to carry this because they're weak. That dude, it's right.
Too close.
He's really.
Okay. What else?
And,
What else routines you got?
This.
Okay.
Can you guys see it? Oh yeah, right there.
You want me to? Okay.
This.
Which one?
You can do like that, or like.
Okay.
That, or like this, or like this, or like what kind of, and then like this, backwards. So
Okay.
that's why this is here. It helps your arms to get stronger, and it's really fun to use. It's better than lifting up weights. This makes you lift up that.
Okay.
Okay, so, and then we have these two right here.
Uh-huh.
Can I lift one? No?
No. Just do the small ones. Come on, they're waiting for you.
Okay, so these, they have, this helps you because they have this thing to help for your arm to have grip. These small little things to have grip. And this is like, it's another weight what has grip right here, but it's like glass right here.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, that's and this one. This looks like a hoverboard.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's not. This you do the same strategy as same step I told you over there. You go down, then you lift that up. I can't lift it up right now because yes. My dad thinks it's dangerous for me. Yeah, and I think that's all.
Okay. Nice. So you got any advice to your viewers on how to exercise? How often do they have to exercise? Do you have any thoughts on that?
No, I don't know.
So you just kind of exercise whenever you can?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or if you wanna get stronger, you can exercise.
And then what?
And then you can be like Batista.
The what?
Big Batista.
What's Batista?
Batista is a famous wrestler that was in WWE.
Uh-huh.
He was really strong.
Okay. So, what about you, Elston? What are you doing?
I'm using this.
Okay. Now, is that for your arms or your upper body, or how does that work?
You use this so your arms can get strong.
Okay.
Dad, can you use this for your feet?
For your what?
For your feet?
Mm-mm.
Oh.
It's basically for your arms.
Oh.
So let's see how strong you guys can lift those
I can lift all
dumbbells.
of them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Connor, lift that alone. That's too heavy. All right. 11. What? 12. What? 13. What? 14. What? 15. What? 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. Wow. 21. What? Okay, so you're 21. Connor, how much was Connor? How many did he did? Huh? 9. Okay. 9. All right, let's get with you, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Wow! Man, you're strong. 45. Nice. So, hey guys, I have a why don't we play a game? Or not a game, it's not a game, but it's gonna involve money. Like a challenge, yeah.
Oh yeah,
And
money.
I don't want you guys to what do you call it? Use this because it's gonna be way too heavy. Let's see. Now that the water is too heavy. We want to be safe. We don't wanna try to like
Guys, this is a safe channel, so we're trying to pick a safe thing to carry. Not a heavy thing to break our back.
Because you gotta try to. So okay, so guys, so the what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a challenge. So so instead of them carrying this, lifting this up, we're gonna try to see if any one of them can lift up for as long as they can. So yeah. So like I said, we're not gonna be. We're gonna try to be as safe as much as possible. So instead of using this, I'm still trying to like spot checking and see what we can use to. They can use so that it'll be safe. So I'm not gonna use this. The water, huh? No, guys, I don't want the chair to fall on your face.
I know too big. Guys, don't let your younger kids do this. What he did. Because it's bad.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
I'm gonna put the. You think it's easy? Okay. 1, go. All right. You gotta balance it. Hey, don't touch anything. You gotta balance it.
It's bending.
You gotta balance it. It's okay. If you're tired, just let it fall. Okay? Let me know when you're tired, okay? Okay? Let me know when you're tired, okay? Huh? Are you tired? 34 seconds. Okay? Yeah. Okay? 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 Are you okay?
Yeah.
49 seconds. All right. So that was for Elston, 49 seconds. Let's try with Marlson.
And then Robert?
Yeah. So stay in position. Come on. Get that up. Arms straight up. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Come on, you gotta let him straight up.
Is it hard? No.
Go.
Oh, I see that.
He said it's not hard. Okay. Elston was 49 seconds.
Oh, I see it bending here.
Oh!
Oh, oh. Yikes.
Yikes! Yikes! Yikes!
Yikes.
Yeah.
Yikes!
28 seconds.
Yikes! Yikes!
Yikes.
Guys, we started feeling pressure.
It's gonna fall. 41 seconds. 42.
43.
If it's past 48, then you pass. I mean, obviously you're good. 48, 49, 50, 51. Let me know. You gotta make them straight. Your arms straight. Come on. Okay. Okay. All right. 1 minute. Good job. Okay. So that was
I
1
could have
minute.
done 5 minutes.
Yeah. Right. All right. You.
They just don't believe in me.
Go on. Okay.
Believe me, I mean,
Okay.
sorry. Still working on it.
The next one. Oh, I think I know. This one is gonna be challenging. So, guys, the way this is gonna work is instead of
Those 2 cans.
instead of the toilet paper and the 2 cans, they're gonna hold this down on the bottom, and then this is gonna go on top.
Oh, that's
Like that.
easy.
Okay. So
With 1 arm?
your turn.
Oh, me?
Yep.
How are you serious?
Mhm.
I'm gonna
You gotta raise them. No, 2 hands. 2 hands.
That's blurry.
Like
That's
this.
blurry. Hey, don't.
Yeah.
Oh man, I'm gonna bounce back.
Okay. Head forward, straight. Yeah, like that.
Oh!
Your arms up, straight up. Yeah, like that.
Oh man.
Is it? Tell me if it's too heavy or too complicated. You gotta like that. Or do you want? You want to do the can first? You
Yeah.
want- Okay, let's do the can first. 1 can or 2 cans?
1 can.
Okay.
Cheat.
Okay.
Oh!
No, put them up. So, is it still on
Yeah.
camera? Okay.
Yeah.
This one, don't cheat, okay? You gotta look straight forward, head forward, and then
I'm straight.
arm straight.
Is the can on? No. Can on?
Okay.
I don't know it's the can.
Oh, not.
Ah!
I put him on his head. Make it straight.
Oh, maybe we can do that. Put it like
Okay,
this.
put him. Hold it. Oops, oops. Hold it. on
Put
the
your
side,
head,
like
don't
that.
put your head like this. Put your head like this. Oh, my shoulders.
I know. That's why it's challenging. Arm straight. Arm straight.
Is it on? Yeah.
Okay.
It's not on. It's on it.
Okay. Go. Wait. Wait. Okay. Up. Okay. Just balance it.
Is that heavy? No,
It's gonna be hard.
it's just balance.
Okay. Go.
Can you move around?
No, just keep still. Keep still. Arm straight up. And look forward. Look forward.
Oh, my shoulder. Oh, I've been doing this for a long time.
What?
The thing.
Okay, put it down. Relax for a little bit. Let me hold it. Okay, stretch your arms first. Okay. You ready?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Turn it up. Hold it on the side. Like this.
Okay, like that.
Yeah.
Wow.
Good? No. Like that.
Ooh. Ooh.
Sige, teka.
Ooh.
Okay? Okay? Okay, 1. Stop moving on. Okay. Wait. You ready?
Mhm.
Go. Raise it up high. Okay. Good job.
I am not getting dirty today. It's on your butt. It's on your butt.
Oh boy. Okay.
Guess you're a prank me.
No, it wasn't a prank. I just gotta come up with that idea, but it was good. So what are we doing, Marlson?
We're at my concert.
What?
We're at my concert.
Okay. So are you gonna perform?
Huh?
Are you gonna perform?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's so much money.
Alright, so guys, we're here for Marlson's concert. He's going to be performing on a... What are you performing?
On the recorder.
On the recorder. Alright. So alright, M3E. This guy's going to perform for you guys. So it's about to start in a few minutes. Good job.
Oh, so
Okay,
Can I go play?
Okay,
Can I go play?
Okay, go. Alright guys, so that was good, Marlson. You did pretty good. Huh?
I was nervous.
Are you going to be a musician when you grow up?
Yeah, no, because I'm so bad at it.
No, you're good. Huh? You're good. Come on this side. Come on this side. You guys were good. So hopefully next year you're probably gonna be playing the drum.
Yeah, I'll play the drum.
What? What else then? You're gonna play the drum? Okay. Alright. Okay guys, so we are done with the concert. Now we're going home right now. So high five to Marlson for a great performance. Alright. So see you guys. You wanna say anything?
Like and subscribe, and I hope you guys play this because it's awesome, and see you in the next video. Peace.
Okay, peace.